Debra Messing slammed for an insensitive selfie amid breaking news of a shooting at UCLA. While many celebs shared heartfelt posts about the victims of Wednesday's college shooting resulting in an apparent murder-suicide, Debra received backlash for tweeting out this now-deleted photo reading, "Horrendous watching news about shooting at UCLA with casualties," while taking a selfie to bring awareness to gun violence. The actress says she was involved in a pre-scheduled campaign aimed to raise awareness for gun violence in America. But the poor timing of her post prompted an apology from the star. The 47-year-old tweeted, "I am heartbroken and embarrassed that many people misconstrued my actions and that I caused offense. The horrendous irony of the timing I was hoping would shine an even brighter light on the crisis and need for all of us to do something together to make the U.S. safer. I am so truly sorry."